that bent, like, see that? And random bumper.
Good morning, everybody. So today's a Saturday. I haven't worked a Saturday in a while. So what we're gonna be doing today is hauling GAB from that Friendship Quarry we went yesterday to Oakwood. Is that one job that got canceled yesterday. So quarries don't usually open on Saturdays unless a company orders more than 1,000 tons. So we're gonna be hauling today. Like hauling. I wonder how many trucks it's gonna be, because they ordered 1,000 tons. So like I said, in order for a quarry to open on a Saturday, minimum 1,000 tons. So I'm leaving a little bit early so I can get there before any other truck can get there, because if there's a lot of trucks, it's gonna take more to get loaded and less loads for me, because it's only 1,000 tons. So if there's 10 trucks, each truck only gets like what, 10 loads? But it's a Saturday, you know, nobody will work. I like working Saturdays, but the workers, you know, the quarry workers, they probably don't want to work, so they close early. You know, we worked Saturdays. The only other time a quarry opened on Saturday was Martin Marietta for the same company, Storer Brothers. We're doing a job here, only 5 minutes from where I live, and they opened a quarry for 1,000 tons. And they close like at 11 in the morning, so yeah, let's get rolling. I'm gonna turn on the truck to see how many loads I can get. It looks like my 10 cage still be working. It's at 105. It's still cold, so let's drive to see if it warms up. Alright, so this truck in front of me, the Sterling, man, he has all green lights and I have all blue lights. It's like the only other truck that uses colored lights. And also, so I guess we're not the only trucks hauling, like, for a company. Like, there's different companies hauling today. So the other guy in front of me at the scale, he's hauling for a different job. Look, there's a crane in the way, so I have to go all the way around. Man, what I want to get is those truck eyes. Have you seen those on TikTok? You put eyes. This truck in front of me has them in green. You can change the colors though. I want to get the when I get them, I want to put them in red or in blue. When I change it to blue. Shit, I'm in fifth gear. I'm in fifth gear. I don't even like Sterlings, but this one, man, that's pretty nice. It even has a custom interior. And I don't even think his lights are dual revolution, they're just green. Pretty nice. I was just talking to my dispatcher, he said it's a big job. So this guy in front of me, the green lights guy, his name is Sosa. He accidentally took a load yesterday. And he saw the place, he said it's huge, so it's a big job. It's gonna be a lot of work. Let's go. But next week, a whole lot of fucking rain, so hopefully Monday we get to do the job too. Could be running was there's 15 trucks for this job. So let's see how many we can get. So yeah, this place is big, guys. Here delivering my first load, and it's also muddy as fuck, man. My truck is like slippy and shit. I got no traction. We're going mudding in the dump truck. Down concrete first, and then I wonder how big these buildings are going to be, man. But I'll let you know how many loads we get today. Yeah, what kind of train is that? It's pretty quick. Oh, it's a passenger train. It's called like Amtrak or something. I got Good thing it didn't last that long though. Alright, so I just saw there's a paper on their window. It says they're closing at 4 p.m. so regular time. So we're gonna be working all day. Hell yeah. Hopefully we can get like 10 loads at least. That's like $1,000 right there. It's over here to my left is the King's Hawaiian factory where they make the Hawaiian bread. It's all at Publix. That thing is really good. I always eat it with fried chicken. And also, man, the air. Hold on, let me jack brake real quick. Look, there's a factory right here in King's Hawaiian. So the air around here smells so dang good. I remember I used to work here, I think it was 2021 or 2020. I think it was 2021, yeah, summer 2021. All this brick you see in this building, almost all of it, I touched it. And the building don't look like it's even occupied, it's just sitting there and nobody like working. So Taylor Transport, their Oakwood yard is right up ahead. So when I was working here all day, we heard jake brakes, man. That was pretty cool. And there was this one time this Peterbilt, this badass Peterbilt 379 came to deliver, like somewhere over here, he delivered something. And he came to do a U-turn in that building we're doing. And he's like, you move your truck out of the way so I can turn around. Like, you had a whole lot of space, man. You can't turn around. I had to move the truck. But anyways, that guy looks familiar, man. I think I've seen him on YouTube before, but I don't know. So here's the Taylor Transport. Man, shout out Thomas. He's gonna be driving one of these someday when he gets a CDL. Huh? It's pretty cool. So yeah, man, I wanted to drive for them one time, but I've been wanting to drive before I got a CDL. I'm like, one day I'm gonna work for them. It's too late now, man. I already have a bad record. I'm stuck being a dang owner-operator, man. Anyways, man, I'm gonna try to make it through this shit, man. Fuck. Hopefully I can make it this year. Hell yeah, so I just got the text that we're coming here Monday too. Let's go. Easy morning. It's barely 11, almost 11 in the morning, and we still got to 4 p.m. And I'm on my way to 5th load, man. I think we might get at least 12 loads, man. It's like $1,200. I haven't made that much in a while. Let's go. Hey, shout out to Chris. I just heard you on the radio. So I'm here picking up load number 5. So this other man right here is pretty good. It almost always tells you exactly what you want. I said 19. He gave me almost exactly 19. He gave me 19.1. That other load. Sometimes he's off, but like he's pretty good, almost accurate. Like this guy come back over here. I think he's overloaded.
He said I'm over by like 200 pounds.
200 pounds.
Yeah, Darren, I dip it off of you.
Yeah, such bingo break is just a waste of time. You have to go over there and dump a little bit, and then sometimes you dump too much, and you lose a few dollars like that, and time. So I know my way. Around 19 tons I can get. If I say 19 and a half, it could be too much. Big ass bucket, man. That thing slams down into your truck, man. It's broken. Give me 2 honks, let me know I'm loaded. Give him a wave and let's go. That's what I was taking out. There was a guy standing right here. And that guy looked exactly like the guy that crashed into me in September. And that guy got arrested that day. I remember his face. I know his face because I searched him up and I saw his mugshot. I don't know if it was him. I didn't look at his face, but the body, like the posture, wanted already. He had like a warrant. I don't know for what though. That shit's crazy. See how high the dang mud is? My dang, my bumper was pushing some of it. So there's mud on my bumper. So we're doing spreading now, so what you need to do is put your chains on your tailgate. Don't open your bed there. So lift your bed like halfway. They said they wanted this thick, so I'm gonna go slow. Do your bed halfway, don't too much because that shit could tip over. Alright, so like that. You put it in low gear or first gear. I'm putting it in low because they want it thicker. Put it in low gear. And open your tailgate at the same time as you move. Don't forget to release your brakes. And go. That's how you do it. So once you start moving after a few seconds, you lift it all the way up. You do it perfect like that. Maybe I can see back there. They want a thick layer, they just go slow. And they want a thin layer, you just go fast. You can't fill the truck. Hey, there's my dispatcher man, he's running, man. These are like the 7th row. That's like fucking like 5-6 trucks already. What is this dang cement truck doing all the way over here? Your job is over there, bro. What are you doing? And we're stuck on the train tracks. Dang it. That's alright. Moving that freight van. I'm not like the dang four-wheelers. Oh, I might have all this dang time. Understand, man? They're bringing us all our goods, man. So I don't care, man. Alright, guys. So that's it. We're dumping the last load. It's only like 12:30. At least we made something. After Saturday, we made some money. Things leaking. Is that my truck? So I sit down. Get home now. Let me get a quick drone shot real quick. We'll head home. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty big job. Just keep on the radio. Sit down. We're going, man. So yeah. So over here, like the whole place on these GAB, and after that, we're gonna be paving. Hopefully, you see me to this job. Hey, what up, guys? So it's Monday now. Doing my quick pre-trip. I'll come back to that quarry over there in Flower Branch. So I'll see y'all there. We're out here at the quarry, bro. Taylor transport, a semi truck, and some other Taylor transport. It's only like 5 trucks in total here. Early as cut. Yeah, the GAP pile, man, it was like right here. No, so we have this small pile. So probably today they're gonna switch it to the other side because this little conveyor belt goes to this side and starts piling it up, so we're probably gonna load from that side now. So that's a green truck right there with green lights. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get those eyes soon. job site. We're stuck. I got my lockers on too. We're both stuck. I can go forward or reverse. Even that truck behind me. We're all stuck, man. We should have never came over here. Damn. We're fucked. Story. That's like the only part here, man. The work is not even here yet. Okay, so the job got canceled, man. Those two trucks can't get out of there because it's muddy over there. They're waiting for the grader to push it out, push the mud off. And I'm stuck here because there's a whole line of trucks over there in my way. And this semi truck, remember, is the same one I got stuck at the entrance. He also got stuck right here. And now he's stuck here. So we're waiting for these guys to move so I can leave and go home because the job got canceled. Look, the whole line of trucks over there. Yeah, guys, look at my bumper, man. I was pushing the mud with my bumper. I think it even bent a little. I see, look. Yeah, it bent. Look, you see that? Man, brand new bumper bent. I was pushing the mud with it. Man, it's not bad. We could probably bend it back. Man. Oh, the semi wasn't stuck. He was just waiting for them to push the mud out of the way. So the semi's backing up somewhere over there. Damn. So yeah, it's too muddy to work here today, man. I'm probably not gonna work the whole rest of the week because they're raining tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. What? My truck's all muddy now. I'm gonna wash it when I get home. Shit. But now the semi spinning his tires. Gonna mess up his engine, though. It's already burning that tire. There's not even mud in there. Looks like they cleared away, man. Dump trucks are going in now. They see they get stuck. And I'm gonna have to back out because that semi is blocking the way. They made a new way, a new trail, so I have to back up over there and turn over there. But I guess these guys are not getting stuck, so we'll do it. We'll go get another one.